outdated U-2.2 military vehicles are transferred here to be dismantled and repurposed for civilian construction use. Our process involves evaluating structural strength, engines, and drivetrains, transforming military hardware into construction-ready machines. These are the last of the armored units scheduled for deactivation this month.
Keep coming straight.
3 meters, 2 meters, stop, cut the engine.
Serial number confirmed visually.
Okay, logging the data now. Photo secured?
Look at the corrosion starting right here by the joint.
Yeah, I see it. Logging a category 3 crack for this section now.
Look at the state of this filter housing. It's completely clogged with residue. We'll need a full cleaning cycle before we can run the diagnostics.
Check the prefix on this one. It looks like a newer model.
Confirmed. Scanning now for the database.
The systematic evaluation is proceeding as planned. We have preliminary clearance on lanes 1 through 3.
I'm getting an anomaly on the left suspension jack point. See that stress fracture?
Yes, I see it. Logging the discrepancy now.
Resonance check on the rear armor plating is complete. Minor inconsistencies detected near the access hatch joint.
The mounts are ready for separation.
Confirm the connection is secure. Are you ready to initiate the drain?
Connection is secured. Initiating the fluid transfer now.
All systems show green. The inspection is complete, and the vehicle is approved for conversion.
All right, keep it coming straight. Watch your clearance on the right. Easy now, slow it down. And hold it right there.
Please, the left rope.
Control, this is Unit B. Vehicle inspection clear. Proceed with dismantling protocols.
Inspection complete on Sector 4. All units are marked and ready for decommissioning.
Protocols confirmed on my end. Ready to finalize decommissioning.
Checklist complete. We are good to sign off on compliance.
Plate scanned. Confirming logging sequence.
Officially logged. Vehicle decommissioned.
Faceplate components 1 through 5 confirmed, marked for neutralization. Requesting EOD team confirmation.
Plating is loose. Proceeding with removal. Disconnect the yellow loom marked Recycle first.
Okay, got it. The red one is disposal.
Unit 4, containment is secure. Copy that. Proceeding to next phase.
This power inverter here seems fully functional. What's the diagnostic say?
System checks clear. We can definitely reuse this one for the conversion.
Nice. Clear the area below. We are lowering the load.
Copy that. Bringing it down slowly.
This section is completely clear.
Weapon interfaces dismantled and verified.
Looks good. Meets all regulations.
This section requires extensive modification for the civilian prototypes.
Yes, mark this one for structural integrity testing immediately.
Okay, bring it down slow. Watch the alignment on this side. Hold it, hold it. Now easy, push it left.
Schematic indicates the separation point right here. Copy that. Marking the primary dismantling zone now.
Right there, see? Hit that access panel bolt.
Engaged. Applying full torque.
This one's fighting hard. Steady pressure. All right, bring it down slow. Watch the left side. Easy, easy. Set it on the reuse rack. Guide it left, gently. Holding steady. Looks good, keep coming up. Easy now, keep it steady. Almost there, set it down gently.
Engine block secured.
Copy that, moving it now. This unit is suitable for refurbishment. Tagging complete.
Confirmed. Moving to the hydraulic pumps next. Recovery efficiency is at 85%. We need to improve material reuse this quarter. We're implementing new strategies for the foundry materials starting Monday.
Measure the clearance here. We need precise alignment for the civilian conversion kit.
It's within tolerance.
I'll mark the anchor points.
This weld is good.
What about this angle here?
It's within the plus 5% tolerance.
All right, bring it down slowly. Watch the left side. Easy, easy. Hold it there. Looks good. Set it down. All right, let's get these brackets mounted.
Hand me the torque wrench.
Tighten to precise specifications. Look at the thermal stress readout here. It's stable, and the vibration analysis matches the projection.
Clear the area below.
Rigging is secure. Bring her down slow.
Newly converted frames move slowly toward the next assembly hall, signaling the transition from structural conversion to powertrain and drivetrain integration.
Hoist it up. Watch the left side, clear the stand. All right, bring it forward slowly.
If we convert this section for civil use, the load bearing changes.
Well, we need to adjust these construction specs accordingly.
Agreed, that makes sense.
All right, bring it down slow. A little bit to the right. And hold. Set it down.
All right, disconnect the old military spec lines first. Removing the fittings now. The new civilian lines are ready for install.
All right, bring her down slow. Hold it there, watch the mount alignment.
Sequence complete. All settings nominal.
Acknowledged. Moving to the next unit.
Okay, disconnect the main harness here.
Verified on the schematic, that's the correct one.
Installing the civilian replacement now. Interface is secure.
Engaging the lift arms now. Looks good.
We've verified the safety systems and the hydraulics. Are you satisfied with the report?
Yes, looks good. We are clear for system testing.
With re-engineering complete, these vehicles are now ready for performance validation and real-world operation.
Pressure is holding steady at the manifold. Torquing the return line now. Confirmed secure. Hydraulic pressure is stabilizing at 500 psi.
Confirmed. Load indicators are green across the board. Engine temp is nominal.
Load charts are stabilizing. It meets the civilian construction standard requirements.
Confirmed. The vehicle is approved.
Built to handle the toughest conditions, the machine demonstrates superior stability and traction on this extreme terrain.
Okay, let's start the mirror adjustment sequence.
Initiating sequence. Mirror cycling complete. Adjusting seat position now.
Mechanical and hydraulic systems are green.
Structural integrity confirmed. We are good to sign off. Loader Delta 9er is certified operational. Excellent. Mark it ready for immediate dispatch to the infrastructure project.
Final certification achieved. These machines are now ready for delivery, beginning their legacy in civilian rebuilding. Final certification achieved. These machines are now ready for delivery, beginning their legacy in civilian rebuilding.
Look at these clean hoses and the upgraded cooling system.
The wiring looms are flawless. This is a perfect rebuild.
Pressure levels are holding steady at maximum extension.
Roger that. Test sequence complete. Lifting the blocks now. Tension looks good.
Confirmed. Hydraulics operating smoothly.
Sign here for the ownership transfer.
And this confirms the environmental compliance sign-off.
We need to optimize the workflow on the main line immediately. I want a status update by noon.
We responsibly transform retired military vehicles into powerful tools for civilian construction and development.
Our focus is on the sustainability, the rigorous engineering discipline, and the human expertise that drives every conversion process here.
I invite you to like, comment, and subscribe to Gen Artisan Factory for more cinematic industrial transformation documentaries.
Make sure to like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe to Gen Artisan Factory for more cinematic industrial transformation documentaries.